Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have legal standing and a clear purpose for the microchip evidence. Explain why the data is relevant, then document device identifiers and incident timing. Once done, contact counsel or a public prosecutor to evaluate statutory grounds. Make sure to note any privacy or search warrant thresholds. This prevents wasted effort and strengthens your application. You should proceed immediately to formalize the request once basic facts and standing are verified. Now prepare the formal requests. Draft a focused affidavit explaining probable cause, the exact microchip data you need, and why less intrusive means won't work. Next, determine whether a search warrant, subpoena, or preservation order fits your case. Each has different standards. Then, make sure you coordinate with forensic experts and custodians so data is preserved intact. Doing this reduces challenges to admissibility and ensures you collect the right technical artifacts. Finally, execute the court order through authorized channels and supervise collection to protect chain of custody. You must log handlers, timestamps, and create cryptographic hashes where appropriate so integrity is clear. Once evidence is preserved, make certified copies for analysis and disclose per discovery rules. If a court denies the request, immediately file a motion for reconsideration or identify alternate lawful avenues, like consent or third-party records, rather than attempting extralegal measures. This keeps your case admissible and ethical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.